The student, today we are going to deal with the income from business and profession. So can you tell me which income are you going to classify as an income from business and profession? And as rightly we have completed till section 25, which were pertaining to income from house property. Now there is an income from business and profession, which are there from section 28 to section 44 of Income Tax Act. So, which income do you think will be classified? Like you have seen for salary income, there should be employer-employee relationship and consistency of income. For house property income, there should be house, okay, and you should be the owner. Even though there is no income, still you will be chargeable to tax. Yes or no? So similarly, because see, you cannot take business income in salary head or salary income in business head. Otherwise, there will be lot of penalty imposed on you. That's why specific section of Income Tax Act has been allotted for you to compute their income under those heads. So can you tell me which income to be classified as an income from business and profession? How any income to be classified? क्या होना जरूरी है
Sir,
इसका?
based on the goods and services provided.
Okay, goods and services provided. Okay. Anything else? So, government is also providing goods and services to their defense personnel. Will it be considered as income from business? Rohan?
No, sir.
तो डिफेंस वाले को कुछ सर्विस नहीं देता है क्या गवर्नमेंट? देता है ना?
हाँ, पर ट्रांसफर इनकम में ऐड हो जाएगा वो।
भाई तो बताइए।
बिल्ड होंगे ना सर, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज रिसीट जिनका होगा।
Any other student, how any income to be classified as a income from business and profession? Anyone from the floor? So any income to be classified as income from business and profession, provided there is a motive to earn profit. There is a motive to earn profit. Is business. If there is no profit, even though government provides to their uh, defense personnel, but they don't want to seek any profit out of it. Yes or no? Once they will seek any profit, then it will be business or profit. Suppose you are making the food, if the hotel employees getting those food, there will not be any business income. But if you are selling to your client and you are earning a profit, then it will be business and profession. पॉली भाजी केंद्र देखा है आपने, बॉम्बे में बहुत पॉपुलर है, जो घर पे खाना नहीं बनाते वहां से रोटी और ये सब लेके आते हैं और खाते हैं. देखो नो, few ladies give the food and it is you can take the tiffin and you can serve your purpose. So in such cases, it will be considered as income from business and profession. Profession होने के लिए क्या जरूरी है? You should have some extraordinary skill, extraordinary degree, or extraordinary art which which allow you to earn profit. इसको बोलते हैं professional income. Artist, singer, director, sports person, chartered accountant, lawyer, doctor, they all are earning income from their profession. So with these two, both are there under the same head, and section 28 to 44 is dealing with such kind of income. Now, what you need to consider only those expenses which are required for business, by the business, to the business, for the business, from the business. If it is not so, then those income and expenses should not be part and parcel of your computation. So suppose if you see any receipts and payment account as specified here. Mr. Abhay is a chartered accountant. Okay? And these are their income. Fee received from client. Tell me whether it is their business professional income or not. Your common sense is required. Nothing great science is required to decide all this. Fees received from
Yes,
the
sir.
client. Yes. Retainer fees. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But interest on fixed deposit with bank.
No, sir. वो nominal income.
इसके लिए सीए बनने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट इसके लिए सीए बनना जरूरी है, तो ही हम कमा पाएंगे. Understood? Getting everyone? So for all these three, I need not require CA degree, but to earn these income, I require CA degree. Do you agree with me or not? हाँ या ना? बोलो. आप इतने 4 साल से कॉमर्स पढ़ रहे हो, 5वें साल कॉमर्स पढ़ रहे हो, आपको इतना पता नहीं? So if it is for those business or from those professions, we will consider that. If not, we will not consider. Similarly, payment to salary, telephone charges, etc. But life insurance, as a salary payment, rent, telephone, printing and stationery, is all required for profession or not? अगर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो तो आपके ऑफिस में ये सारे खर्चे होंगे कि नहीं?
होंगे सर.
सिंपल है यार, इसके लिए निशिकांत सर की जरूरत नहीं. ठीक है, बट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम और इनकम टैक्स के लिए आपको इसकी जरूरत नहीं. तो एनी पर्सनल एक्सपेंसेस, एनी डायरेक्ट टैक्स विल नॉट बी अलाउड. गिफ्ट, चैरिटी, बिजनेस को कोई लेना देना है, वो तुम्हारा है. ओके, so those things will not be allowed. Similarly, if you take the profit and loss account, you'll find we used to write our profit and loss account like this. Out of this, you think you just specify which is not required for business and profession. इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा आइटम लग रहा है जो बिजनेस, by the business, for the business, from the business is not there. Earlier example was profession. This is example of business. इसमें से बताइए.
Household expenses, sir.
Yes, household expenses, sir. This is not required. We will not allow. But just think upon your, financial accounting. You used to write all these things. If suppose this insurance premium is also for the life, this will also not be allowed. Suppose यहाँ पे रहता municipal tax paid to the municipality, that would also not have been allowed. Okay. Dividend is also not income from business. This is income from other sources. आगे जाओगे तो वैसे क्वेश्चन भी है. देखो, letting rent from house building आएगा क्या बिजनेस में? Rent from let out building business income है?
No, sir.
No, sir. It is income
No,
from
sir.
house property. Capital gain is income from capital gain. ये सब नहीं आएगा. ये आएगा डिस्काउंट आएगा, कमीशन आएगा, sundry business income आएगा, but these two are in other heads. Salary to proprietor not allowed. These things which is not allowed, municipal tax paid on let out property not allowed, interest on capital not allowed. तो आपने आज तक जो आपके फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग के प्रॉफिट निकाले हैं, इनकम टैक्स एक्ट वो प्रॉफिट को मानती ही नहीं है प्रॉफिट, वो बोलती है रॉन्ग प्रॉफिट है। बोलो क्यों? बिकॉज यू हैव इंक्लूडेड ऑल दीज आइटम्स इफ इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ट्रायल बैलेंस। यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
एंड सेम
Yes, sir.
ऑल्सो हैज डन। तब मुझे ये बताओ, अगर ये प्रॉफिट है और ये सारे इनकम आपने ले लिए विच इज नॉट योर इनकम, इसकी वजह से प्रॉफिट बढ़ रहा है या घट रहा है?
बढ़ रहा है।
तो अब इसको एडजस्ट करना है तो इसको माइनस करेंगे
बढ़
या
रहा है।
प्लस? इसको माइनस करेंगे या प्लस करेंगे?
माइनस करेंगे।
माइनस करेंगे। तो जो भी क्रेडिट साइड में डिसअलाउड होगा उसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा, जो भी डेबिट साइड में डिसअलाउड होगा उसको प्लस करना पड़ेगा। And this is how your format is. So there will be two kind of questions. Which you will find. One from profession. आपको वही income लेना है from your receipt and payment or income and expenditure which you find is your income. You may be a chartered accountant, you may be a doctor, but आपको वही लेना है which you feel is your income from profession. और वही expenditure लेना है which you feel as a expenditure required to run those professions. If it is not required, we will not take those expenses. Okay? If profit and loss is given, then you will take the profit from your profit and loss account. You will add all those expenses which are not admissible. Not admissible मतलब ये allowed नहीं है business चलाने के लिए, business का है ही नहीं. It is capital in nature, it is personal in nature, it is social in nature, etc. etc. They are capital loss, income tax, wealth tax, जितने भी direct tax है कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा. Capital expenditure, personal expenditure, donation, gift, मैंने सारी चीज दे रखी है बुक में. उसी तरह डिडक्ट क्या करना है? Any income which are considered in other head, salary head, house property head, capital head, other sources head, so on and so forth. अब ये कैसे समझ में आएगा? तो आपको पढ़ के आना चाहिए, क्योंकि लास्ट वीक में मैंने बताया था. We are going to start business and profession, section 28 to 44. I have given you the meaning. Please read out. Again, honestly speaking, much reading is not required because it is common sense. I think by learning 5 years, we can make out, which is just now also, there were students who were getting me the answer, whether it is required for the business or not required for the business or profession. If yes, we will consider. If not, we will not consider. Simple. Okay. So those things have been explained here. Now, so section 28 is talking about basis of charges. Like there, in salary we have 17, in house property we have 22. Likewise. Okay. How to compute the business income is explained under section 29. 30 onwards there are deductions. But here you will not have to specifically write those section and their deductions. Like in salary we wrote section 16 and then we wrote deductions. In house property we wrote section 24 and then we write the deductions. इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Like 30 is for rent rates and taxes, 31 is for repairs and renovation. तो आपको 31 लिख के रिपेयर नहीं लिखना है, लिख दो चलता है. यहाँ पे सेक्शन याद रखना जरूरी नहीं है. Depreciation, specific allowance, all those sections are specified till section 44D. Okay, how it is to be allowed. हर एक पे concept tester है. Here the depreciation is not to be provided on proportionate basis. It will be for half year. If you have bought the machinery before September, 30th September, you will get entire year का depreciation. After September, you will get half year का depreciation. Less than 180 days. And here again, we will not take the profit and loss. We will get the value of asset, opening WDV, sold, purchased, whatever the closing WDV will be there. On that, depreciation will be charged. So likewise, the other sections were there, which you need to learn. But again, one relief you have got that you did not have to write this deduction with their section. Directly list that. Any payment made abroad, any expenses if it is paid in cash more than 10,000, fully disallowed. So suppose you have paid cash of 22,000, entire 22,000 will be disallowed. It's not like 12,000 will be disallowed. Likewise, everything is mentioned here, and then we will have this command. So I will take up first this type of question, which is very easy to understand, and then we will go for second type of question. The first question itself is from profession. So let us first deal with the profession. Question number 1. Okay, page number 176. Mr. Abhay is a practicing chartered accountant. Partly it has been already discussed. For the year ended 31st March 2021, his receipts and payment is as under. Receipts are given. Fees received from client and retainers is. Just now, student has told me, yes, sir, it is an income. We will consider. These are not an income. We will not consider. These all are considered as income from other sources. Okay. So that will be after capital gain. When we will read, we will understand. Those income which is not to be classified under these 4 heads, neither salary, nor house property, nor business profession and capital gain, they will by default comes under other sources. So section 45 to 55 is dealing with capital gain, and 56 to 59 is dealing with other sources. So section wise only we read entire syllabus also. So just now you told these all are expenses which is allowed, but see what is adjustment given here. They are saying compute his income from profession for the assessment year 21-22, assuming 20% of telephone charges, car hire charges and taxi fare is personal use. So telephone and this, only 80% will be allowed. As much as not allowed, we will deduct that number because that is personal. हम लोग को सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल अलाउड करना पड़ेगा, बिजनेस अलाउड करना पड़ेगा. If it is in personal nature, we will not be allowed. Similarly, life insurance, income tax, gift, charity, and computer purchase will not be allowed. But of course, depreciation on computer would have been allowed. Okay, depreciation, capital expenditure is not allowed. But depreciation on capital expenditure is purely business expense. Similarly, any reserves and provisions are not allowed. Like reserve for bad debts is not allowed, but bad debts allowed. Okay. Depreciation also, these are not standard wise. Depreciation also they have given the specific standard, right? Furniture पे इतना ही depreciation मिलेगा, machinery पे इतना ही depreciation मिलेगा, plant पे इतना ही depreciation मिलेगा. It is given in the act. उससे ज़्यादा depreciation आपको नहीं मिलेगा. We will read the adjustment and then we will solve. Chalo. Get the format, the same thing what we have written. Format बना लो. Textbook page number 176. Write down fast. This time what will be the head? Computation of net taxable professional income. Salary income is over, house property income is over, now it is professional income. Completed the format. Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. क्या क्या income आपको consider करना था बेटा? Only those two income. Fees from client and retainers received. कितना कितना है देखो? Fees from client कितना दिया देखो?
50,000, 1,200.
1000.
And 12,000. तो कितना होगा? 62,000 is in income. Less expenses. Expenses में क्या क्या आएगा बेटा? Salary to assistant आएगा?
Yes, sir.
Allowed.
6,000.
6,000 allowed.
Office.
दूसरा rent for office 9,600. Allowed or not allowed?
Allowed.
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 भी आएगा. ठीक है. फिर तीसरा
Telephone.
टेलीफोन चार्जेस. उसमें से 20% पर्सनल है. तो अलाउड कितना होगा बेटा?
2,400.
3,600 minus 7.
Oh, sorry.
2,880.
2880.
The printing and stationery है. Printing and stationery
3,000.
1,200.
1,200 fully allowed. But similarly, car hire and taxi fare में क्या आएगा? 20% not allowed. Allowed is 2,400.
Full amount.
2,400.
What is the total of these all expenses?
$22,110.
What is taxable income from profession?
3,920.
So this is one way. This is very simple way which you can easily deal with. अभी इसके बाद यहाँ सब प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ऑन पेज नंबर 192. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. ये मिस्टर रमेश का क्वेश्चन है. ओके. अगेन ओपनिंग बैलेंस इज नॉट कंसर्न. मैं ये क्वेश्चन करूंगा, फिर एक डॉक्टर वाला क्वेश्चन आपको होमवर्क दूंगा. यू डू इट विद योर ओन. ठीक है. So whenever you are getting any question based on business and profession, first read out their adjustment. 1/3 of the car expense is not allowed. तो जहाँ भी car expenses है ना, ठीक है, जितने भी कार एक्सपेंसेस हैं, कार पेट्रोल 1/3 will not be allowed, driver salary 1/3 will not be allowed, you know, repairs 1/3 will not be allowed. And depreciation allowed on car is 28,000. These two we will take. Okay. Now tell me, he is a chartered accountant. Professional fees will be an income or not? Allowed or not?
Income. Yes.
Allowed.
Allowed.
Salary as a part-time lecturer will be income from profession or any other head? बोलो जल्दी बोलो, टाइम नहीं अपने पास. Salary
Allowed.
not allowed. Salary will compute as a income from salary, not a income from profession. Okay. Rent received from rented house,
Not in
not
income from others.
income from house property, not other sources. Received from his father HUF,
Not allowed.
not allowed. Right received from Lions Club,
Not allowed.
not allowed.
Not allowed.
Income tax consultancy fees,
Allowed.
Allowed.
certification fees.
Not allowed.
अरे सर्टिफिकेट से नहीं
Allowed है ना?
अलाउड है. ये चार्टर्ड है, वो सर्टिफाइड करता है ना आपके बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट को. दिस इज दैट सर्टिफिकेशन फीस. मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंसी फीस,
Allowed.
Allowed.
ऑडिट
Allowed.
फीस
Allowed.
अलाउड. ये सारी चीजें अलाउड होगी. टीडीएस भी नहीं कटेगा. तो अगर ये 47,500 95% है तो 100% कितना? तो डिवाइड बाय 95% करो, 50,000. यस, ये सारी चीजें आएगी. देखो यही लिया है उन्होंने, यही था ना. प्रोफेशनल इनकम, प्रोफेशनल फीस, इनकम टैक्स, सर्टिफिकेशन, ऑडिट एंड प्राइस फ्रॉम आईसीआई. अच्छा, एक प्राइस भूल गए क्या हम? अच्छा, नीचे है प्राइस एज अ बेस्ट मेंबर ऑफ आईसीआई, ये भी मिलेगा उसको. लोन फॉर परचेज ऑफ कार विल नॉट कार. ओके. सिमिलरली एक्सपेंसेस में देखो, सैलरीड अलाउड और नॉट?
Allowed.
अलाउड.
Allowed.
टेलीफोन एक्सपेंसेस
Allowed.
अलाउड और नॉट?
Allowed.
Allowed.
To ICI is allowed or not?
Allowed.
Allowed.
Car petrol allowed is or not?
Allowed.
Allowed.
Not.
Allowed. Only 1/3 नहीं allow होगा. हाँ, डॉक्टर, चार्टर, ये सब तो कार से ही आएंगे. Same this driver salary, same this purchase of motor car, allowed or not?
Not allowed.
Not
Not
allowed.
allowed.
Okay, it will not be allowed. It is a capital expenditure. Advance tax, any kind of direct tax,
Not allowed.
not allowed. Personal
Not
drawing,
allowed.
पर्सनल ड्राइंग
Not
allowed.
आगे आपको फिर ऑफिस एक्सपेंसेस
Allowed.
अलाउ. मैं बोला ना, एक ही टॉपिक है जिसमें आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स था, दैट इज सैलरी. रेंटेड हाउस का जितना भी खर्चा है नॉट अलाउड. म्युनिसिपल टैक्स, रिपेयर, ये कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा उसको. ये मैंने पहले ही
हाँ
कवर
सर.
किया. रेंट ऑफ द ऑफिस,
Allowed.
Allowed.
डोनेशन
Allowed.
एंड कैरी फॉरवर्ड इज नॉट माय कंसर्न. वही सब लिया है
Not
मैंने
allowed.
एज अ खर्चा. ठीक है,
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
भी आया इनकम फ्रॉम प्रोफेशन. ये डॉक्टर वाला खुद से करना है. आफ्टर द ब्रेक आई विल टेक इट अप, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस वाला, सेकंड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. देन दिस चैप्टर विल बी ओवर. ठीक है,
Yes.
9 o'clock will be and we'll take it up PNL वाला क्वेश्चन.
Okay, sir.